Why does Java keep asking to update?
I remember the XKCD cartoon joke about that. It asked if you wanted to update the updater that updates Java and notifies you of the updates.
And then there are the reboots. That gets annoying, but I can get errors if I don't.
The reason Java keeps asking to update is because it has to keep updating.
It feels like the latest and greatest fashion trend that is a recycle of something 20 to 30 years ago.
Java has been around for quite a while, rivaling JavaScript as one of the founding languages of the interactive web.
As compared to HTML that simply puts up banners and content.
Java is used to create interactive games and other functions, applets running code from a server on your PC.
That way I don't have to install a program to run it.
Java does run programs, but it converts the instructions set on the server to instructions on your computer in the native language.
That's why Java can run on the Macintosh PC, Windows tablet and Android phone.
It runs on cell phones most of the time, when even Adobe Flash fails.
So why does it endlessly need to reboot? To keep up with all these devices?
You do see Java updates to keep the Java plugins working with the next version of Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera and so forth.
Java plugins are a massive headache. They generate tons of errors.
The same Java plugin has to work with all the browsers, all the operating systems, all the versions of browsers and many native applications through which it is translated.
So they have to update it for IE 10 to IE 11, whatever the latest Linux version is and so forth. And since there are so many updating elements, Java has to update to keep up.
And then there's the security matters.
Of course security matters.
Java plugins and Java code in websites are an open door to any virus someone can place on the server or load through the web page. Half of all virus deliveries are through Java one way or another.
Because it is universal.
And because it is everywhere. Java's architecture has to be open enough to work on everything but secure enough to not hand over control of your PC to a hacker.
All the security measures to protect my information, and it gets killed when I load a hacked web page.
You can update your Java to keep the PC at the latest version of Java. And remove older versions of Java to minimize conflicts.
Or I could get rid of Java.
HTML5 does deliver a lot of functions websites used to rely on Java for via JavaScript code on the server and embedded in the HTML. That eliminates most if not all of the Java holes.
HTML5 is the new web standard. If it pulls on JavaScript for web-based applications, I can disable Java plugins and close that security hole.